Hey there everyone! In this video, I'll be explaining some common terms that you will come across when working with fabrics and patterns. And to help me illustrate this, I have some adorable Pikachu fabric. Right side and wrong side. Right side, also called fashion side, is the side of the fabric that faces away from the body. Typically, it has the design on it. Whereas the wrong side of the fabric will be the side that faces the body of the person wearing it. Selvage. The selvage is the stringy little bits on the side of your fabric. These are left over from the weaving process and usually have some sort of industrial finishing applied to them. Grain line. The grain line is the line of thread that runs parallel to the selvage. It's also called lengthwise grain since it runs along the length of your fabric. Cross grain. The cross grain is the line of threads that run perpendicular to the selvage of your fabric. Bias. The bias line is any line that runs at an angle made between the grain line and the cross grain. If the angle is a 45-degree angle, then it's called the true bias, and is the point where the fabric will be the stretchiest and look super flowy when you put it on the body. So I hope that this video was helpful in explaining a few fabric terms that you will see and hear when first starting out. I plan to make a few more terminology videos in the future. If you have any questions or terms that you'd like to see, let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching!